Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to add audio in DaVinci Resolve 19. Alright, so let's begin with the video. There are a couple of simple ways to add audio to your project, and both methods only take a few seconds. Start by opening DaVinci Resolve and switching to the edit page. Make sure the media pool is visible. The first method is to import the audio through the media pool. Right-click inside the media pool and select Import Media. You can also use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+I to open the import window. Once the file browser appears, navigate to the folder that contains your audio file. Select the file you want to import and click Open. DaVinci Resolve will immediately add the audio file to the media pool, making it available for use in your project. Another quick method is to import the audio by dragging and dropping it directly into the media pool. Open the folder that contains your audio file, click and hold the file, then drag it into the DaVinci Resolve media pool. Once you release it, the file will be imported automatically. After the audio file appears in the media pool, you can drag it onto the timeline and begin editing it as part of your project. And that's it. So that's basically how you can add audio in DaVinci Resolve 19. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.